Yeah.
Good morning, y'all. So welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today is shoot day, y'all. Oh, I look so bad by the hair, y'all, but you know what, I just pulled up to the hair salon. I have a hair appointment for 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock on the dot, y'all. I would have gotten here a little bit earlier, but I'm so greedy and I knew I was gonna be sitting there for a few hours, so I ran to the donut shop and got me 2 glazed donuts. Do I need this? No, I don't. But anyways, y'all, let me hurry and get it for him. That's my appointment. It was for 9 and it's 9:02. I'm pushing it. Okay. Let me get out of here for real. That donut don't owe me a thing. Alright, let's go for real.
Overnight, you are the sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you.
The rain, I cannot. Bro, this rain won't let me be great. I'm about to make a rain for it. Yo, this rain will not let me be great. Oh, let me get this off my face. I look so crazy. I look like I'm going to my 8th grade prom. This hairstyle is giving 8th grade prom, first communion. That's what this is giving. But it's pink curl, and she told me to take what it was, the shower cap off when I got in the car so it don't sweat. I'm so mad at myself, y'all. I forgot my headphones one, and also most importantly my stain cap. I forgot my stain cap. So as I'm out here in these streets, y'all, I'm so nervous. So I'm like, I put my hood on. Okay, so we had 9 a.m. hair appointment, y'all. My makeup appointment, that didn't go through, so I gotta go home and do my own makeup, which I'm not really tripping on. The only thing that I really struggle with is doing a wing. So yeah, y'all, I don't know how this about to go, but
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the pieces I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel. all about you, you wish you away. But you don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around. Oh.
Yep. Good. Okay, model.
Right.
Right.
That's the way it was. You was good on the love for favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. You never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. You never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you
Las Vegas. I'm all checked in my hotel. I had to run to the mall real quick and grab me this little jean jacket, y'all, because it is so cold outside. I was not expecting that. So I'm actually just waiting on my friend, my sis. She just touched down, so she upstairs changing, and we about to go to brunch Lord, look at my hair. I ain't even comb it, I just let it fall. It's actually my business partner Anna. It is her birthday, so we about to go celebrate with her. I still have not seen her yet, y'all. Like, we all staying in the same hotel, but everybody just been like running like crazy since we touched down early this morning. Some early little flights, y'all, so people were trying to get naps in. I ran to the mall, but yeah, y'all, we about to turn up real quick, real soon, so just stay tuned. I'm so hungry. It's such a test. Like, Anna, she's coming shoot.
Which one we going?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Let's go. My memory, I was too drunk that week. Baby, I remember them Halloween. Them Halloween was the It was like the tanginess. It wasn't too hot. It was like a good. We did. So I'm vlogging this trip.
My 30th. I'm welcome to the 30th club.
30. It's actually got Cardi to get a drink, okay? So I ain't mad. I ain't mad. Look at your ID, bro. I've been whipping it out so quick. Thanks, love. You must want a tip.
I'm gonna eat this food so I can drink some more.
Yeah, we probably about to dip to go find something to eat. I don't really see nothing I want. And then the salmon, they out of salmon.
Okay, yeah,
So we have to relocate to a different little brunch spot, little lunch spot, not brunch, because I didn't really care what was on that menu. So we have this little spot called Off the Strip Bistro and Bar. It's really nice. The food is so good. We got some fried shrimp and some drinks. And we are going to ride the go-karts in a minute. So, girls, yeah, I want to have another one of these. Yeah, and she's going to want one too.
Oh, okay, so
yeah,
two more.
so 2 more. And when she get back from the restaurant, we'll order our food.
Sure.
All right.
Okay.
Can we have some napkins too? Because the drink had waste. Thank you.
Already on the menu.
Sure, I'm gonna do the salmon and brown rice bowl.
Yes.
All right, sounds good. And then my name is John, so if you need anything else, just let me know too, okay?
Okay, thank you, John. I ordered you another drink.
Oh,
I said I need another drink, and I know she gonna want one too. So go ahead and bring some more.
great minds think like, 'cause I was looking at it, I'm like, this is about to go away, you know.
Wait, what is that you have?
A mimosa,
No,
a mango
it's still-
mimosa. No, I got 2, remember?
Oh yeah. Oh, a mango mimosa. I should have tried that.
Like,
That's
you wanna put it
champagne
in
though,
the
right?
straw?
Yeah.
You don't do champagne?
Girl, champagne make my stomach hurt.
My days. I just love champagne now.
I don't drink champagne. It make my stomach hurt. In my Wayne voice. Yeah, but I like French 75. I can fool with it every now and then.
I'm like, I just want to find. Hopefully at dinner they have a.
Are you the manager? Thank you. No,
I know. Yeah, he was awesome.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he was really good.
Thank you. You have the 11?
Girl, I'm just recording.
Oh.
I'm the birthday girl, and I have my bartender here, my sister, making drinks for us. We lit, baby. We got everything, okay? We got all of the alcohol.
What you want?
What y'all want?
What you want, baby? I got you.
Come on, bartender. Serve it up. Serve it up.
Okay.
Come on, bartender.
This is my Henny. This is gonna be the Henny.
Yes, we turn
Y'all
up.
better tip me too.
Yes, tipper, tipper. This is the vibe.
Gorilla cream apple.
Yeah. Well, you can't do that at nighttime.
Just a little
I
splash.
did do that nighttime. But you know, I know things like this. I'm trying to be a big
Yes.
I believe her.
Come on, Black Kid.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I
I just got egg and cheese because I don't eat the sausage stuff, but it looks real good. And then orange juice, oh my god, the orange juice is so fresh. Oh my tastes so good and fresh. Oh my god. 5 stars. Breakfast don't owe me a thing, honey. That was good. It was something light, not too heavy. Yes, I'm currently on the elevator. I like the light in here. I'm headed to the pool area, y'all. I was supposed to be here an hour ago to get my little cabana, but guess what? I know black people don't be on time.
How's it going?
Hi.
I don't need TV or nothing. Like,
Yeah, I ain't trying to watch TV. That's the thing. But it was just to get out of the sun.
lifeguard is covered with a towel.
Sis said not today. I don't want to be here.
Right.
I don't want to be here.
Oh my, what a wonderful time. Been a minute since I pulled up outside. Shut it down, yeah, you do that every time. Ooh, we gotta feel it, you mine. Oh my, what a wonderful time. Been a minute since I pulled up outside. Shut it down, yeah, you do that every time. Ooh, we gotta feel it, you mine. Working like a stripper. Yeah, but you not a stripper, yeah. Talk it down with you, yeah. Working 9 to 5 with you, yeah. Have to smoke a pound with you. Oh my, wanna vibe, what a wonderful time. 100 deep, all my niggas outside. Valley Park when I pull up in the ride. Oh, it's late, you might have to spend the night, yeah. Oh, I love my city late at night, yeah. Oh, I love my bitches when they bang, yeah. Oh, let's go some up and let's get right, yeah. Oh, yeah. We just landed in your city, go time. Driving to the venue like she seeing no signs. She got all the passes, she don't ever do lines. Used to like she single, she ain't wasting no time. You cannot record it for the show now. Leaving for to get that later on now. Pour that special drink that's for my throat now. Take a seat, oh my, what a wonderful time. Been a minute since I pulled up outside. Shut it down, yeah, we do that every time.
Hey y'all, so I just finished getting ready. It's Friday morning. I'm about to go. I really don't want to go. I'm wanting to stay here another day, but I gotta get back to work tomorrow, y'all. Like, I have a full Saturday jam-packed, like, so I gotta get back to work. But you know, this was a fun little getaway. My skin is still feeling dry because I was just like rushing. Like, look y'all, I'm just trying to do a little 1-2 in the bathroom. I don't have time for a whole routine, so I skipped my serum and my face is feeling dry. I don't know why I did that in Vegas. It's already dry heat out here, so my skin is not getting the moisture that I would normally get when I'm in Louisiana. I have this Peter Thomas Roth hydration, what is it called? Water drench. Water drench. It's a hyaluronic acid, so that is always helpful if you are lacking moisture. Hyaluronic acid, that ingredient. So I'm about to go ahead and apply that to my skin. Imperfect skin. Get y'all J rollers.